Ever wondered why your body suddenly goes hiccups? You could be eating, laughing, or doing absolutely nothing, and then a hiccup appears. But why? It's because
Inside your body is a muscle called the diaphragm. It helps you breathe in and out. Sometimes, this muscle suddenly jerks or spasms. As air rushes into your lungs, your vocal cords snap shut for a split second, and that's what creates hiccup sound.
basically a hiccup is your body's way of making a tiny breathing mistake. Try not to hiccup while watching this video too late. Follow for more amazing facts. Thanks for watching.